Daddy, it's the rain. Hey, Daddy. Daddy, you know where that deep is?
Yeah, it's under the couch.
Oh, huge.
I don't think it actually hooks in there. I think it just sits on. Oh, it is?
Or to the box.
Oh, really? Oh.
But it's already frosty.
Would you like a drink of my water? Careful over there.
Hello? That drive's not over yet. It's practically yours. Hello? But we still need it. Right now during Simon Drive, it's never been easy to get the all-new
Hey, Isaac. Isaac,
What, Mommy?
did you have a Merry Christmas?
Yeah.
What'd you get for Christmas?
A Lego Flight Station.
What else did you get?
That.
That's pretty cool. Who got that for you?
Uncle Ben.
Hmm.
Say Uncle Ben.
Whoa, does that need a new battery?
What? It doesn't need a new battery.
No, I guess not.
I guess that is
Look at Luther Lou blowing bubbles.
Daddy, look, it doesn't even go up. Look, Daddy.
Ooh.
I want to know what a freeze. Oh, look, he trapped over the freeze.
Oh, no. Mine needs to be better.
No, it doesn't, Daddy. It doesn't.
But it's not going as fast as it used to, is it?
It was going really fast when we first put a battery in it, wasn't it?